Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chocolate-covered strawberries business. First, understand your local health department's requirements for food preparation and sales. Next, focus on finding the freshest, ripest strawberries and premium chocolate. Experiment with different types of chocolate and toppings to create signature offerings. This foundational work ensures a delicious and compliant product from day one. Once you have your ingredients, proper preparation is key. Always ensure your strawberries are completely dry to prevent the chocolate from seizing. Mastering chocolate tempering will give your treats a professional, glossy appearance and a satisfying snap. Finally, invest in packaging that protects your delicate creations and enhances their visual appeal, making them perfect for gifting or events.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more business insights. On another note, running a business means always learning. I love to unwind and learn with my Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading business books or just relaxing. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's talk about getting your delicious strawberries into customers' hands. Develop a memorable brand name and logo, then showcase your beautiful products on platforms like Instagram. Participating in farmers markets or craft fairs allows people to taste your quality firsthand. Collaborating with florists or event planners can also open up new sales channels and expand your reach significantly. Understanding your costs is crucial for a sustainable business. Factor in not just the strawberries and chocolate, but also packaging, labor, and any overheads. Investigate what similar businesses charge to position your products competitively. Your pricing strategy should reflect the quality of your ingredients and your craftsmanship, ensuring a healthy profit margin while offering fair value to customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.